If your home has suffered roof damage due to a disaster, you may be able to get help from Operation Blue Roof. This program, funded by FEMA and led by the U.S. Army Corps of Engineers, can help you temporarily protect your home from further damage before you make permanent repairs. If you live in a declared county where this program is available, you can call the Operation Blue Roof Helpline at 888-766-3258 to get more information about where to find right of entry centers and what you will need in order to register. Once you fill out a right of entry form, the Army Corps staff and contractors can come to your property, assess the damage, and install a temporary roof. The blue roof will be professionally installed. Remember, this temporary cover is only meant to last 30 days until a permanent roof is installed. One last thing to clarify. Operation Blue Roof is different than getting a tarp from FEMA. Immediately after a disaster, FEMA may supply emergency tarps and other supplies, like food or water, to the state. Operation Blue Roof, on the other hand, is a program that state requests from FEMA, who in turn mission assigns to the Army Corps of Engineers. Visit www.usace.army.mil/Blue Roof for more information about Operation Blue Roof.